As we delve into this fascinating synergy, consider a scenario where a marketing team gathers in a sunlit conference room, laptops open and coffee steaming. Ideas are exchanged freely, and laughter punctuates the air as they share bold concepts. An AI tool sits quietly in the corner, constantly analyzing their conversations, providing real-time feedback on audience preferences based on data from previous campaigns. Suddenly, the AI suggests a striking tagline that instantly grabs attention: "Feel more, connect more." The room falls silent for a moment, the weight of the suggestion settling in. It's a phrase that perfectly aligns with their brand's mission and speaks to the emotional landscape they wish to explore. One team member, inspired, raises their hand to refine the idea, pondering how to incorporate user-generated stories into this message. With a spark of creativity ignited, a collaborative discussion unfolds, weaving together technology and human insight in a tapestry of innovation. As the brainstorming continues, another member of the team, intrigued by the AI's suggestion, proposes a new direction. "What if," she says, "we not only highlight emotional connections but also incorporate local stories that showcase our community's diversity?" The air electrifies, and heads nod in agreement. The AI, quick to adapt, begins pulling data on trending topics in various localities to suggest potential stories that reflect authentic experiences. This dynamic exchange reveals a pivotal moment, demonstrating how human creativity can enhance AI recommendations, crafting narratives that deeply resonate with audiences. Each voice adds layers of richness to the evolving campaign, highlighting the power of collaboration in harnessing technology with soulful storytelling. With renewed enthusiasm, a senior team member stands up and animatedly declares, "Let's not just showcase the stories, let's bring in local influencers who can embody these experiences." There's a ripple of excitement as visuals of partnered community events spark imaginations. The AI quickly assesses influencer engagement statistics in real time, suggesting profiles that align with their identified themes. "Look at these options," the AI prompts, projecting a screen filled with vibrant faces and compelling narratives. The team gathers around, scrutinizing each candidate's previous work, debating the potential for authenticity versus reach. As conversations swirl, another member exclaims, "What if we create a campaign that not only invites these influences but also fosters community participation? Imagine events that capture their stories as they unfold." The energy in the room surges, as everyone begins to envision highly interactive platforms. The AI chimes in, using augmented reality, "We could engage audiences on a level that brings them right into the heart of these local stories." This sparks another round of brainstorming filled with fervent ideas. Instead of merely observing, the team begins to build a narrative where audiences feel they are part of the story, guided by data yet fueled by genuine human connection, showcasing a campaign that not only informs but transforms. Excitement brims as team members bounce ideas off one another, a lively rhythm of creativity swirling in the conference room. Let's also consider how we can use social media to amplify these stories, one suggests, eager to explore new avenues. Another enthusiastically adds, "Perhaps we can host live Q&A sessions with the influencers, allowing the community to engage directly." The AI, constantly evolving, analyzes engagement potential, identifying optimal times for posts and audience demographics. As the meeting draws to a close, the team reflects on the extraordinary journey they have undertaken together. This blend of human creativity and AI's analytical prowess has not only birthed innovative ideas, but has also reaffirmed their commitment to authenticity and connection, ensuring their campaign resonates with hearts everywhere.